Welcome to the Unravel View channel, exploring the wonders of our world and beyond. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I bet you didn't know about the colossal Megalodon. Imagine our planet's ancient oceans. They were vast and full of life. A true giant ruled these waters then. This colossal hunter was the Megalodon. It was a shark of almost mythical power, living millions of years before humans. Its reign as an apex predator was long. The name Megalodon translates from Greek to big tooth. Its teeth are large fossilized remnants of its might. Discovered all around the globe, each tooth tells a story. This ancient shark was truly enormous in scale, far bigger than any sharks today, even the great white. Megalodon hunted very large and powerful prey. Great whales were often on its formidable menu. Imagine the sheer terror of its hunting prowess, a dark, immense shadow in the ancient waters. Megalodon mysteriously vanished from Earth's oceans. Scientists estimate its extinction around 2.6 million years ago. The name Megalodon comes from ancient Greek words meaning big tooth. Its fossilized teeth are truly massive in size. They are the main type of fossil evidence found. These teeth are now as hard as any rock, preserved perfectly for many millions of years. When these giant teeth were first discovered by people, they caused a great deal of confusion initially. Some thought they were rocks from the moon. Others believed them to be giant serpent tongues. Later, naturalists correctly identified their true nature. They recognized them as ancient shark teeth, but from a giant, previously unknown type of shark. Most of the Megalodon teeth found are very big. Typically they measure 4 to 5 inches long. However, some recovered specimens are even larger still. The most exceptional examples exceed 7 inches. Imagine holding such a massive tooth in your hand. It feels like grasping a piece of ancient history. These remarkable teeth are not just simply big, they are also incredibly sharp and clearly serrated. Perfectly designed for cutting through thick flesh, this made them ideal for hunting large marine mammals. The teeth paint a picture of its ancient life. Just how big was the mighty Megalodon shark? Scientists have worked hard to estimate its size. The evidence suggests it could grow incredibly large, perhaps up to a staggering 60 feet in length, considerably longer than a modern-day school bus, much bigger than any living shark species. It was a true behemoth of the prehistoric ocean. To grasp its scale, imagine a great white shark. Now try to picture something far bigger, perhaps 3 times bigger or possibly even more. It would have completely dwarfed any human diver. Its sheer presence must have been truly awe-inspiring. A massive giant swimming gracefully yet so powerfully. Its powerful body was likely thick and very muscular. It was perfectly built for incredible power and speed. Huge, strong fins would have propelled it effectively. Through the warm, ancient oceans it once inhabited, it possessed a wide, absolutely terrifying jaw structure. This jaw was filled with multiple rows of huge teeth. The bite force of Megalodon was truly incredible. It was significantly stronger than a Tyrannosaurus rex. Estimates range from 24,000 to 40,000 pounds of force. Even the largest whales were not safe from it. Now, let us journey to a different part of our world. We travel to the very deepest part of Earth's oceans. This remarkable place is known as the Mariana Trench. It is located in the western part of the Pacific Ocean, found quite near the remote Mariana Islands chain. It remains a place of profound mystery and wonder. Very few humans have ever visited its extreme depths. Its secrets are only slowly being revealed to us. The Mariana Trench is an incredibly long geological feature. It stretches for about 1,500 miles in total length, and it is also quite wide in its dimensions. Measuring around 43 miles across its expanse, it forms a massive, deep scar on the ocean floor. A feature deeper than Mount Everest is actually tall. This is a truly mind-boggling geographical wonder, a testament to the dynamic forces of our planet. Within this immense trench there lies a specific spot. This spot is famously known as the Challenger Deep. It represents the very deepest known point on Earth. It plunges many miles down into the abyss, approximately 7 miles or about 11 kilometers deep. The vast ocean still keeps so many secrets. Attempting to live in the Mariana Trench is very hard. The environmental conditions there are truly extreme. First and foremost, there is absolutely no sunlight. It is a place of perpetual, unending darkness. This creates a world of what seems like eternal night. Photosynthesis, the base of most food webs, is impossible. Life there must find other sources of energy. Creatures have adapted to this lightless existence. The water pressure in the trench is unbelievable. Imagine the weight of 8 tons per square inch. That is like having many large elephants standing together. All their weight pressing down on a tiny postage stamp. Most ordinary sea creatures would be instantly crushed. Therefore, very special adaptations are absolutely needed to merely survive this constant, immense crushing force. The animals there are built differently from surface life. Remarkable hydrothermal vents are found in this deep region. They are located on the distant and dark seafloor. These vents continuously spew out extremely hot, mineral-rich water. Water temperatures near these vents can actually soar, reaching up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 Celsius. These unique geological features support very unique forms of life. Life that thrives on chemicals instead of sunlight. A completely different ecosystem exists around them. Despite all the harshness of this environment, life remarkably exists and even flourishes here. The Mariana Trench is certainly not a barren wasteland. It actually hosts a diverse array of organisms. Many of these deep-sea species are still unknown to science. Scientists continue to find new things quite often. This incredibly deep world is full of surprises. Life adapts and survives in the most amazing ways. Various different types of unusual fish live down here. They often look strange and quite wonderful. Many are small and possess bioluminescent capabilities. Some have developed huge teeth or enormous eyes. These are adaptations to find scarce food in darkness, and of course to withstand the crushing pressure. They are truly specialized for deep-sea survival. Each one is a testament to evolution's power. Thousands of unique invertebrate species call this place home. This includes bizarre translucent sea cucumbers, for example. Ghostly white octopuses gracefully glide through the dark waters. Various types of jellyfish also drift in the currents. Each one of these animals is a marvel of adaptation. They are surviving where very few other creatures can. Their existence challenges our understanding of life's limits. The deep sea clearly shows life's incredible power. Exploring the deep Mariana Trench is extremely difficult. It presents a truly huge technological challenge for us. The sheer depth of the water is one major problem. The immense crushing pressure is certainly another significant one. Very special, robust equipment is absolutely needed for this. This includes remotely operated vehicles known as ROVs, or for human visits, specially designed manned submersibles. Technology continually pushes the boundaries of our exploration. The famous filmmaker James Cameron once made history here. Back in the year 2012, he made a solo dive. He journeyed all the way to the Challenger Deep. He did this in his innovative submersible, the Deep Sea Challenger. He was able to witness this alien landscape firsthand, and he successfully collected valuable samples for scientific study. This was a truly remarkable human achievement in exploration. It captured the imagination of people worldwide. James Cameron was not new to deep-sea exploration. He had previously dived to the wreck of the Titanic. He made many trips there back in the year 1995. 12 successful dives to be precise, exploring the liner. He filmed the wreckage and explored it extensively. His deep passion for the mysterious ocean depths drives him to undertake these incredible, extreme journeys. His work continues to inspire further deep-sea exploration. So after all this, the big question still lingers. Could a creature like Megalodon be down there somewhere, perhaps hiding in the unexplored depths of the Mariana Trench? It is certainly a very tantalizing and exciting thought. A giant, ancient predator from Earth's distant past, somehow surviving unknown in the deepest, darkest waters. Many people around the world find this idea exciting. The thought of such a discovery is mind-boggling. If a megalodon were to live in such deep regions, it would require a substantial amount of food, a lot of food every single day to survive. Scientific estimates suggest around 2,500 pounds daily. What could such a massive predator possibly eat there? Large whales sometimes die and their bodies sink deep. These whale falls do provide concentrated sources of food, but would it be enough for a population of megalodons? Consider for a moment the story of the giant squid. This creature was once considered purely a myth by many. Sailors for centuries told terrifying tales of krakens. Most scientists remained skeptical for a very long time. Then, eventually, large carcasses started washing up ashore. Finally, a giant squid was filmed alive in its habitat. Our planet's ocean is incredibly vast and profoundly deep. The deep dark ocean certainly holds countless mysteries.